Here we will introduce 4 different methods to help you recover deleted files on your Samsung phone. Way 1. How to recover Samsung Gallery recently deleted from Recycle Bin. Step 1. Open your Samsung phone and launch the Gallery app. Step 2. Tap the 3 dots in the lower corner and choose the Settings selection. Step 3. In the Settings page, find and tap on the Trash option. Step 4. On the Trash page, you can see the photos and videos you've deleted, along with their remaining retention time. Step 5. Choose the files you want to recover, then tap the Restore button in the lower right corner. Your files will be returned to their initial location, and you can find them in the gallery. Way 2. How to restore deleted files on Samsung by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Step 1. Install and open the software on your computer, then use a USB cable to connect your Samsung phone and computer. Step 2. Activate USB debugging on your phone. Once connected, choose the file types that encompass the files you want to recover. Click Next to proceed. Step 3. Choose between Quick Scan or Deep Scan mode when scanning media files. After making your choice, click Continue to initiate the data scanning process on your Samsung phone. Step 4. Following the quick scanning process, all existing and lost files will be categorized on the left. Select the desired data for recovery and then click Recover to initiate the retrieval of files from your Samsung phone. Way 3. How to recover deleted files from Samsung using Samsung Cloud. As long as you have set backup on your Samsung phone, you can get your files back using Samsung Cloud. Step 1. Access the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. Tap on the Accounts and Backup option, and then select Samsung Cloud. Step 3. On the Samsung Cloud page, click on the Restore option, and then choose the type of data you wish to recover, like photos, videos, contacts, and so on. Step 4. Click the Restore Now button, and your data will be restored from the cloud to your phone. You can view them in the respective applications. Way 4. How to recover from Samsung Gallery via Google Drive. If you have previously used Google Drive to back up your photos and videos, you can use Google Drive to restore your files. Step 1. Open your Samsung phone and go to the Google Drive app. Step 2. On the Google Drive page, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and select the Trash option. Step 3. On the Trash page, you can see the files you deleted, along with their remaining retention time. Step 4. Choose the files you wish to recover. Tap the 3 dots in the corner, and choose the Restore option. Your files will be returned to their initial location, and you can view them in Google Drive or the Gallery app.